Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new tutorial on my channel. If you clicked on this video, I'll go ahead and assume that your navigation workflow is cancer, that it's hard to navigate around as you can see. How do you guys manage to navigate like this? This is a nightmare. So you see, I find a way to navigate in Blender that's very good. Instead of hovering around your stuff like this and hoping that you aim correctly, I'll show you guys a way to do it perfectly. Right, so first thing you want to do is press N, which opens up this little menu on the side. Then you want to click on View. You see this area, View Lock. You want to click on Lock to 3D Cursor. Now what this does is it makes it so your camera is locked on the 3D cursor, which can move around by clicking Shift and right click. You can move it around like this. Now I know this sounds a bit stupid, but hear me out. What this allows you to do is be precise. Let's say you have a sword and you wanna work around it very easily, you know? This allows you to be precise. So you just put the 3D cursor on anything that you're working on and you can hover at it instantly. You wanna go at the tip of the blade? No problem. Zoom in and there you go. You can hover around. It takes a bit of getting used to, but this method of work makes navigation in Blender very easy in my opinion. Boom! You can zoom in and check what's going on. You wanna zoom out? No problem. Put it here, zoom out. That's pretty much it. There isn't much more to it. You just click on View, 3D cursor and get used to pressing Shift right click to move it around. There you go. You can move around a lot easier.